Hello, welcome. This is your brother Augustine Emeka. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to start coding Java. And for us to code Java, we need to first of all install the tools that are needed for you to code Java. And those tools are JDK, Java Development Kit, and Netbeans. So today I'm going to teach us how to make these installations in order to start coding Java. 3 steps in the installation are: number 1, installation of the JDK. Number 2 is setting the environmental variables, the advanced environmental variable, your system variables. And number 3 is installing the Netbeans. So we're going to do those 3 things now so that we can then start coding Java. So first of all, we quickly go to Google and we'll type in, inside the Google search, we'll just type in download Java. So when we type in download Java, we'll quickly take this very link, Java Standard Edition Development Kit 8. We'll click on it. 8 because 8 is seems to be the latest version. So when we click on it, we'll allow it to come up. Yes, when it comes up, you see something like this. So downloads at Oracle. So you see this very page, very important. You have to make sure that you're seeing this page. So whenever you see this page, if you scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot of things, but just concentrate on the first group of things to be installed. Click on accept license. You can see it here. I'm clicking on it, accept license. Once you click on accept license, come to the one that has the operating system that you're using. Like here I have Windows 86 and 64. You find that there are modern computers, most of them are having this Windows 64. So click on this, download. Once you click on it, your download will start. Once it completes the download, double click on it and do the normal installation the right way. So after doing the installation and you're sure that you've done installation, the next thing is for you to set your system variable. And for you to do that, you can just simply click on this button and go to search and type in control panel. Control panel. You know how to get to your own control panel. If you're using Windows 7 or XP, you know how to get to control panel, but because I'm using Windows 8, that's how I have to go to search to get my control panel. So once you're there, look for systems. It's one of the options, systems. You can see it here. This is my system, so I click on systems. So after clicking on system, I'll go to advanced system setting. Click on advanced system setting, then go to environmental variable. You can see it, environmental variables. Then go to new. Click on new. Then when you click on new, type in capital letters, type path. Oops. Path. Then after typing path, you're going to copy the bin directory of the Java you've installed and paste it here and click OK and OK every other thing. But how do we get to the bin of the Java that we've installed? I simply clicked on my folder, this folder. You can get to your folder through any means. Get to your C drive. So I go to my computer, go to my C drive. Everybody knows how to get to the C. So when you get to the C drive, get to your program files. So I'm going to check this first one, program files. Then when you get to your program file, get to Java. You can see Java. Click on Java. Then when you get to Java, get to JDK. You see JDK 1.8. That's the version of the JDK that I installed previously, like I showed you through the Oracle Java website. So I click on this JDK, then you will see the bin file. Can you see the bin file? This is bin. I click on the bin. So once you're on the bin, get to this address bar in the folder, click once. It will color it this way, telling you that it has been highlighted. So once you highlight, I right click and say what? Copy. So once I copy, I get back to this variable name that I opened down. I click on it, then I will do Ctrl V, which is paste. So I pasted it. C program Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. That is the directory to your bin file, bin folder in your Java. So I just hit OK. I'm not gonna hit OK because I've already installed this before, so I'm gonna click cancel. But if I had hit OK, I will also hit OK here, and also click apply and OK here, so that I'll make sure that I've installed it. So by doing that, I know that my system now understands and runs Java. So the next thing I'm going to do is to install Netbeans. So I'll quickly go to my browser, and I'll just type in I'll get to Google first. You can always, all these things I'm showing you, anyone you don't understand, just get to Google, type it, and you see the addresses. So once I get to Google, you can type in Netbeans download, Netbeans download. Once you are clicking on it, you already see the option Netbeans download. So I'm going to click on, you can see Netbeans download. You see https netbeans.org/downloads. So I'm going to click on this to take me to Netbeans. While we are downloading Netbeans, without Netbeans we can still code Java, but Netbeans is an IDE that helps you to code Java very much easier, instead of using the Notepad and Notepad++. So you need Netbeans, makes the work easy. So once this website is opened, you scroll down, you look at the options, the one that has all. You can see this one, it has all. So get down and click download. So you see here, just click here, download. Once you click here, it will start downloading. Once it finishes downloading, get to the download folder and double click on the file that has downloaded, so that it will install, and keep clicking yes and next until the installation finishes. So once the installation finishes, you're going to get your Netbeans here, like I have mine here, Netbeans 8.2. So I'm going to double click on it to open it, so that I can start coding Java immediately. So that's all about it, about doing your installations. Make sure you install the JDK first, because the JDK is the development environment that enables your Java code to work. Without it, your Java code will not work. And make sure that you set the environmental variables. Very, very important. Even if you have the JDK and you've not set your environmental variables, your Java codes will not work. Then after that, make sure you install an IDE. Good example of IDE that will work very well in Netbeans. You can also use Eclipse. Eclipse also do the same thing as Netbeans, but if you're starting, maybe more better that you work with Netbeans instead of Eclipse, but both of them are just very good. So immediately after installing your Netbeans, you can then start coding Java. So I'm gonna open this up. Maybe in the subsequent classes we can start coding Java. So from these lectures, you've gotten two very, very important things. The 3 steps to starting to code Java. Number 1, install the JDK, the Java Development Kit. Number 2, set the environmental variables. Number 3, install an IDE that will help you. And installing the IDE, you can use Netbeans or Eclipse. Most times I use Eclipse as well, though I use Netbeans to teach and to do some work, but some development that I've done recently, I used Eclipse. So you can use any of them and you'll be good. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you really like this video, subscribe to my channel and keep watching, because we're going to be bringing in several lectures concerning Java that will help you to learn a lot. Get to our website www.jamboyeknekouni.com to help you learn more, even as we'll give you more lectures on Java development. You can comment on this video if you have further questions to ask. If you also want me to send straight the the downloaded version of the JDK and Netbeans to you so that you can just install. You can also let me know. So in subsequent classes we are going to start writing our first Java code, so that you enjoy. Thank you.